With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is a ball of mass m moving with speed v0 to v0 collide head on with an identical ball at rest. If E is the coefficient of restitution, then what will be the ratio of velocity of two balls after collision? Let's explain. Before collision, m is moving with velocity 2v0 and another mass is at rest. After collision, one mass will move in this direction and other mass will move in this direction with velocity v1, with velocity v2. Initial velocity u2 is at rest of another mass. This is u1 of initial velocity of mass m. So we can say that this process is the before collision and this process is the after collision. So now, according to law of conservation of momentum, we can write 2 mv0 plus 0 equal to mv1 plus mv2. So it becomes 2v0 is equal to v1 plus v2, right? And by definition, coefficient of restitution is v2 minus v1 divided by v2 plus v1, right? Equal to v2 minus v1 divided by v1 plus v2 is 2v0, right? So we can find from it v2 is equal to 2v0e plus v1, right? This is the second equation and this is the first equation. So from put second equation in first. So first becomes 2v0 equal to v1 plus v2. Put the values of v2 in 1. It becomes 2v0e plus v1. So it becomes 2v1 equal to 2v0 minus 2v0e. So v1 becomes v0 into 1 minus e. This becomes the third equation. We have the value of v1. Put value of v1 in v2. From second, v2 becomes 2v0e plus v1. v1 is plus v0 into 1 minus e. So it becomes v2 equal to v0 into 1 plus e. We have to find in the question the velocity after collision, the ratio of velocities after collision. These are v1 and v2. So v2 divided by v1 is equal to v0 into 1 plus e divided by v0 into 1 minus e, right? From third and fourth equation. So it becomes 1 plus e divided by 1 minus e. If we have to find v1 by v2, it becomes 1 minus e upon 1 plus e. So therefore option 1 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.